Hello dear traders, you are watching weekly stock market review prepared for you by ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. Last Friday, the US stock indices closed the sixth session in a row in the black. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite hit fresh all-time highs. The high-tech Nasdaq closed at 6,205.26, setting an intraday record at 6,217.34. The index's weekly growth made up 2.1%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed to 21,082.95 on May 25th. Throughout the 5 sessions of the previous week, the Dow gained 1.3%. The S&P 500 rose to 2,415.7. Earlier, the indicator established an intraday record at 2,418.71. Over the week, the Standard & Poor's 500 added 1.4%. The increase in shares was surely linked to the minutes release of the recent Federal Open Market Committee. The report read that the officials plan to reduce the massive balance sheet that appeared amid the quantitative easing program. Besides, on Friday, the U.S. Commerce Department revised the country's economic growth outlook for the first quarter of 2017 upwards. Moreover, it was unveiled that the May reading of the Consumer Sentiment Index, calculated by the University of Michigan, was revised downwards. Meanwhile, the data on durable goods orders showed the first decline in 5 months. According to experts, this points to slow activity growth in the production sphere. The market mostly ignored the data. It was a strong financial report that boosted market sentiment. The shares of Nutanix, a cloud computing software company, jumped by 12.7% in price after the company revealed better than expected data. Nutanix reported on a loss of 77 cents in the third quarter, which is below expectations for a loss 86 cents. The revenue grew by 67.2% to almost $191.8 million in comparison with the previous year. The figure exceeded the company's forecasts for revenue of $190 million. The shares of Decker's Outdoor rose in price by 17% on the back of unexpectedly strong results of the company for last quarter. Meanwhile, the shares of Best Buy lost 2.5% in price on Friday. Earlier, the share price surged by 21.5% amid a bid report for the preceding quarter. In 3 months to April 29th, the retailer's net income declined to $188 million, so 60 cents a share, down from analyst expectations for 40 cents. The revenue increased by 1% to $8.53 billion, up from forecast to $8.28 billion. You have watched a weekly review on InstaForex's TV channel. Good luck!